Okay, hey y'all, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I'm in front of my tractor with a stump bucket on the front of it. Now this is a Titan Stump Bucket, and I bought it to remove my banana plants. The videos are below if you want to see it in action for doing that, but I found a really good use for it. Right up in here, while digging my pond, I have hardpan. Now you can see these chunks right here. This is hardpan. Okay, so with my 60-inch tractor bucket, I can never get under and lift it up. I could only keep chipping away at it, and it did not work. It was putting a lot of strain on tractor. So then I tried one fork on my forklift, put it in and broke it up. But now with my Titan Stump Bucket, look at that. I go under and I pop them out like that. So it's a real good use other than taking out tree roots or banana plants. Let me show you how the tractor takes them out. Okay, so you get the point. I'm able to get through big chunks like that and pull them up and leave them there like that. I mean, that's a lot. That's real hard. I've been in here several times with my tractor and was not able to bust it up. So with the Titan Stump Bucket, I did this whole section. I'm towards the end of it now. And once I'm done, I'm going to come in here with my tractor bucket and scoop all this out and then do it again. So thank you, Titan. You saved me a lot of wear, tear, and aggravation in digging out my pond. Okay, some bonus footage. This is all that I went ahead and removed. It don't look like a lot, but it's a lot. And there's big chunks of hardpan in there, like over there. And I came in here with my regular bucket and I scooped it out, and then the water came over, so I can't get any. But that's called progress. If it gets any drier, I'll be able to scoop more out. If not, I'm happy with what I got. Talk to you later.